We guide you through how to delete a Facebook page permanently using the updated steps. First thing you need to do is open Facebook on your browser or app and make sure you are logged in as a page admin. Go to the page you want to delete, tap the menu or settings options, and then select privacy or page settings depending on your version. Look for access and control, then choose deactivate and deletion. Select delete page, follow the on-screen prompts, and confirm your choice. Facebook gives you a short grace period before the page is permanently removed, allowing you to cancel if you change your mind. After deletion is finalized, all posts, followers, and page data will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered.